guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can do this cute, simple, and fast hairstyle. It's more of a classy, cute, simple hairstyle. So today I'm going to be using wide tooth comb, this scrunchie, clips if I need them, and some bobby pins. Where did I put my bobby pins? Some bobby pins. So I am going to take my wide tooth comb and I am going to part out a section in the front. Maybe that much. I'm going to take a little bit more. Like that. And then I'm going to take the same amount on the other side. Like so. So we're gonna clip this section out the way. Keep grabbing this broken clip. And we're gonna clip this section out the way. And you can do this on blown out hair or straightened hair. So I'm gonna comb it all up. And you don't have to use, and I'm gonna take 2 small pieces from the back. I might cut these pieces. No, I'm not. So I'm gonna pull some up, all of it up, and then, oh, what was I saying? You don't have to use like products for this hairstyle. I'm pulling it all up to the top as much as possible. Pull it up, use this scrunchie. I think I'm gonna tie it around maybe 3 times, that's it. Okay. So while we got this out the way, let me twist this so I can actually see what I'm doing. Honestly, I think I'd rather I'm gonna use one of these instead. Only because when you use these, sometimes it takes up more of your hair that's coming out of the ponytail. So I'm gonna twist this around 3 times. That's it. You don't gotta be that tight. Voila. So now I'm gonna use my wand curlers, and I'm gonna take small pieces and just curl it. And I'm making sure I'm curling at the bottom just so the curl can be a little bit tight and not too loose. Not too loose. Curl doesn't have to be perfect. Because once I'm done, I'm going to kind of comb it out anyways. Take another piece. As tight as you can. Voila. So some of them can be wavy, some of them can be curly. But I'm definitely making sure I'm curling at the bottom of that wand curl. Take another one. And the last time I did this hairstyle, I actually did it when my hair was straightened out from like a silk press. And it was really, really cute. But whenever I straighten my hair out, they don't come out straight like when the stylists do it. Because I'd be scared to get to the roots. Because I'm afraid of heat. And this is really easy and really simple to do yourself. Another one. This part is actually my favorite when I get to doing the front pieces. Ooh, my arm's starting to hurt. Trust the process. All right, I'm gonna curl this little piece and then I'm gonna come back. So now I am on the last piece of the ponytail. And honestly, I might not even need my bobby pins for real. Because I think the way I'm gonna do it, let me see. The way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna kind of separate them a little bit. Comb some of them out. Okay, we'll get back to that. So now with the front area, I hope this is good. Okay, now I am going to start on the front pieces. And I'm just gonna take small pieces and just curl. And I'm not gonna do these ones too tight because I kind of want them to fall. I don't want it to be a short curly bang. Do the same on this side. Hold on. The whole thing is not too long. And then one more. Something is pulling. Something feels real tight right here. Okay. So now, kind of comb these out a little bit. I hope this video is bright because it don't look bright to me. A comb just like that. I feel like I want to do a side piece right here. No, I'm gonna leave it. I usually would like do a curl right here too, but I ain't gonna do that today. Curl one of these again. I thought I was gonna need my bobby pin, but I don't. So it's more of like a messy, curly, bun-ish, updo-ish. And that's literally it. That's all. And you can either put it in a bun like this. Sometimes I put it in a bun like that. Put it up. Or Yeah, you can wear a curly bun like that. Or you can just leave it messy and curly like this. And that's it. Super cute. Super, super cute. And that's literally all I do. And then I just let the curls fall on their own throughout the day. And just wear it just like that. It's really simple and curly. And all I used was my wand curls. You can use these, or you can use like some curling irons. I might do that next, like on straightened hair. But I just wanted to show y'all a quick and easy, simple, cute, classy hairstyle to do on your blown out hair. And this hairstyle, you could wear this hairstyle like if you're going on a quick date or going out and you don't got time for like no braid out. So just wash your hair, blow dry it out, get your wand curls and pull it up in the bun, leave 2 pieces down. And you got your simple, classy hairstyle. And I love this hairstyle. This is literally one of my go-tos. When I don't feel like doing other stuff. And I didn't use no oils or anything because I like the frizz on this hairstyle, on this specific hairstyle. So yeah, oop. And then you could just play with it until you get your desired look or whatever. And that's literally it, literally. You cannot go wrong with this hairstyle. It's super simple, super easy, super fast to do, super fast to do. I really hope this is good lighting. Let me see. Super easy, super simple, classy, go-to, elegant style to do on your blown out hair, girl. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah, and comment below if you enjoyed this tutorial. Comment below if you like this hairstyle. I love it. It's cute. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.